A good eyeshadow palette is like an investment that keeps giving. But more often than not, we don't end up maximizing on all shades of an eye palette. For instance, some eyeshadow pans remain untouched while others hit the pan. Hi guys, I'm Kiran and today I'm going to show you 2 easy day to night makeup looks using one palette. Before I get into the video, if you are new to the Be Beautiful channel, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Before I show you the makeup looks, I already have done base makeup and prepped my eyelids with some concealer and loose powder. And now let me show you this very versatile eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using today to create 2 makeup looks. This is the Lakme Absolute Explore eyeshadow palette in the shade Purple Haze. The palette has 2 matte shades, purple and pink, and 4 glitter shades, purple, gold, bronze and pink, making this palette super versatile to create a wide range of eye looks that you can create during the day and at the night. Let's swatch the shades now. The matte shades, as you can see, has a rich color payoff with a velvety soft finish. This tells me that they are going to be very easy to blend and will not appear chalky. As far as the shimmer shades go, the high shine particles make this formula easy to work with because while they are pigmented, they are not going to appear chunky. Okay, so that was about the eyeshadow palette. Now let's get digging. For the daytime look, I'm going to do a pink smoky eyeliner. Okay, so first, using a tapered blending brush, I'm going to dip into this pink shade. Then I'm going to run onto the lash line and take it slightly outward to create a sort of a shadow wing. Using a clean fluffy brush, just blend out the edges. You can add more color if you feel the intensity is a bit low. Then using a flat brush, I'll dip into this purple shade and apply it right on the lash line closer to the pink shade, following the shape of my eye. I'm going to keep adding the dark purple shade and blending it away until I get the right smoky gradient. Then I'm going to just rim the kajal on the lash line to intensify the purple color. Finishing this look by applying a coat of Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Eyes Mascara in the shade Night Drama. The long-term curl formula in this mascara is also waterproof and smudge resistant. Generously coat the lashes with this mascara for a dramatic effect. For this look, a light shade of pink on the lips will be ideal. So here I'm going to finish this look with this lipstick. It's the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Pink Lace. Let me go ahead and wear a daytime outfit that is perfect for this look, and then we can cue the beauty shots. I think this is such a beautiful eye look that will work for a brunch or a daytime party and will flatter so many Indian skin tones. Now for the night look, I'm going to try to do something different in terms of eye makeup. So first I'm going to dip into this lilac shimmer color using a flat brush, applying the shade all over the eyelids. Using an angled brush, I will create a wing right above the crease line using the matte purple shade. Then I will create a wing liner right above the lash line. For the lower lash line, I'll apply a kajal and smudge it out. Then apply the matte purple shade below the kajal and smudge that out as well. And finally, I'll finish this look by applying a coat of mascara. I am so in love with this eye look. It seems a little complicated, but trust me, it's really simple. You definitely have to try it out. I'm going to pair this dramatic eye makeup look with a nude lipstick so that the focus remains on the eyes. So this is the lipstick that I'm using. It's the Lakme Absolute Precision Paint in the shade Alluring Nude. And my nighttime look is done. This look is great for a nighttime event, girls' night out, or even a friend's reception. So guys, what do you think about these 2 easy day to night makeup looks using one palette? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section below. If you like the daytime look, then add a hashtag followed by the word day. And if you have liked the night look, then add a hashtag using night. While you do that, in case you are looking to buy this palette, then check out the description box below for purchasing links. Before you go, like and share this video and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Bye.